Yeah, I welcome you to my today's tutorial video. So if you are watching from afar, I welcome you to my video today. Yeah, if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Felix and I work with a team known as Allied Dev, and we help startups to build web applications, CRMs or software 10 times faster with the help of Bubble.io. That is great because Bubble.io, with it, you can do magics. Now, what are we doing today? We'll be talking about ChatGPT with Bubble. Now, if you look at the current trend now, a lot of businesses online are using ChatGPT. And as a startups, you are looking to build application uses that works like ChatGPT and you don't know how to start. Now, first, today we'll be having a course that covers how you can integrate ChatGPT with your Bubble.io. Now, how do you get started? Now, first of all, you have to have a Bubble.io account. You have to have a Bubble.io account, and if you have a Bubble.io account, just come over. You see, these are different apps that I have built. Now, what do you do when you have a Bubble.io account? Just to come over to create new app, and you give it a name. You can name it Chat GPT for my business. ChatGPT tutorial, yeah, tutorial, and you see, just click on get started. This is currently on a free plan, so you can get started and start with a basic plan for now. So you wait for the for your bubble to load, and you head over to now. Once your bubble when finish loading, you come to this part, this page, and you can decide to take the tour or you can decide to skip it. Now that I need to skip it so that we have a quick course. Now, and today, as I said, we are not talking about responsiveness, we are not talking about design, we are not talking about other things today. We are just focusing on how to integrate chat GPT, that's OpenAI, to your Bubble account. So that's what we're talking about for today. Then in our next video, we'll be talking about how to integrate, how to configure it and do other things to get the feature that you want. Now we are also going to have a video that talk about responsiveness and design. That is the front end of Bubble, where we explain what all these things are for. Then we have a video that talks about this, and this. So just to move fast, the first thing we have to do is actually to come to plugin, and on the plugin tab, we need to add a new plugin. Add a new plugin, and you see the first plugin that you see here is API connector. So with API connector, so with Bubble API connector, you can be able to interact with different other um applications. Be able to This is where all the magics works. Maybe you want to integrate Stripe, you want to collect a payment and you don't want to use the plugin. So we have different plugins here. We have plugins for Stripe, we have plugins for different things, but sometimes some of these plugins have limitations. Sometimes you may decide you want to do it by just connecting it direct. So APIs is just helping you to interact with different applications. So you are making your app to interact with another application. For instance, in this instance now, we are trying to make our our Bubble app, the app we are building on Bubble, to interact with OpenAI. So that is what we are trying to achieve. So that and the work of API is just for the interaction. We can either get or pass. That is, we have get, you can get data from another source, or you can post. That is, you can, that is retrieving, or you can give out data. So there are different. You can also delete, you can patch. So we talk about those ones later. So but we just focus on this one, which is click on add new API, and we just name it Chat GPT. Then um now for in your ChatGPT, you see I open the ChatGPT. We have ChatGPT, open AI, and go to the APIs. So you can go to the documentation, and you see the documentation of OpenAI and how you can use it, and this and this. So we'll be working on here. Here now you are going to see different services or products you can get from ChatGPT. We have different endpoints. They are called endpoints. We have text to speech. We have speech to text. We have fine tuning. We have image generation, and we have text generation and other ones. So if you look at the documentation, this is the documentation of it, and this you can take your time to read through it, so that you can understand whichever one you want to, depending on what you want to achieve in your application. So it's once you understand one, you can be able to understand the other. Now you've come here, so we for this, for the sake of this tutorial, so we'll be utilizing the chat completion. So that is one of the endpoint that ChatGPT provides. So once you come to this place, what the only thing you need to have a you need to have a ChatGPT account, and just generate your API. That is the dev. And you need your API and the rest of them. Then at this place now, the only thing I need to do is that click on this place. We have Python. Maybe you're integrating with, maybe for other platforms, but for Bubble support this core URL. That is the So this is the one that Bubble actually supports most of the time, and it's very easy for you to work with it on Bubble and do all that thing. So once you come here, so the easiest thing to do is just to copy it. This is the endpoint. You copy it and come to your Bubble application. Now, once you come to your Bubble application, just name this one. We know that it is chat completion, right? That's our chat chat completion. I need to expand it. Yeah, chat completion. Now, so because it is core, so what I because then what I copied there, I said I just come here. With this will save our time and other things, instead of just adding all these things manually. Get this or that one. So just come to this call, import another call from this. So just paste it here, and once you paste it here and click on import, you see it will import it. Okay, and you just change the name. So this one is another method. You can delete this one and confirm. You can delete it and just name it chat completion. Chat completion. It's very easy. Completion. And this place, you see, we have content type, we have authorization, then we have the body here. Then this place, you see bearer plus your. Then this one, there's a one in here. Open AI API key. So you need your API key to paste at this place. So I have my own API key, and if you don't have your own, you can just go to sign up and get your own API key from OpenAI. So I need to get my own API key now. Now we have it like this. So the next thing is that if you want this body is actually static for now. So, but there are some points whereby you need to make some changes in maybe during the configuration. If you read at this place, you see it's in JSON object. So if you want to make it dynamic, you can just, for instance, for now, just type this is the symbol. Maybe you are confused, this symbol, and just add it to this. So, and I can name it content, maybe title, title. Then, so we are adding. So we have new parameters here. So, and it shouldn't be private. So I can add as many as I can depending on what I'm trying to achieve. So, but I advise to keep it simple and other things. I can add descriptions. So this is it. So we have another parameter as well, and I'll just, maybe the title will be chat GPT, and the description will be tutorial. Just just for the sake of what we are doing. Yeah, so this is it. All right. So from, if you don't do this, you may not be able to access it like that and make some changes. So it's important for some reasons. So this is actually the first steps, the, one of the ways you can work and integrate with ChatGPT. So if you click on initialize, all right. So we have some this thing here. We have some errors. So I've just corrected it. It's because of some things that we did not add at this point. So once you are done doing the changes, you can initialize it and you get this response. So this is the response you are going to get once it's you are done using it. So if you have any question at any point, so don't forget to reach out to me, or you can type it um, on the chat. If you have any particular question relating to bubble.io, you can always reach out to me and I'll help you out with it. So it's nice to have it. So good luck in ChatGPT integration. So meet you in our next video.